You're juggling so much, putting in the effort, but these hidden habits could be keeping you stuck from your weight loss goals. One of the questions I hear all the time is, why am I not losing weight? And the truth is, it's often hidden habits, not lack of effort, that's holding you back. So today I'm breaking down some of the most common culprits that keep you from hitting your weight loss goals and how to overcome them. Protein is essential when it comes to weight loss, to muscle gain, and aging gracefully. Many of you skip protein at breakfast, and this is a major misstep. It's not just about feeling satisfied. Protein actually boosts your metabolism and aids in weight loss. And yes, the science supports this. In fact, a study on protein and weight loss found that overweight women who ate 30% of their calories from protein lost a healthy amount of weight, even without intentionally restricting their diet. So skipping protein at breakfast and lunch, big mistake. Spreading your protein out throughout the day helps keep you satisfied, curbs those cravings, and helps keep your energy steady. So how about starting with 20, 25, 30 grams of protein at breakfast? Try my Mediterranean egg wrap or high protein almond joy overnight oats. These are going to leave you feeling full, satisfied, and just ready to crush the day. And here's the kicker: skipping meals and skipping protein never works. Skipping meals might seem like a shortcut, but it's actually slowing you down. Skipping meals can actually lead to weight gain. It can slow down your metabolism. When we skip meals or go for a long time without eating, our body goes into survival mode. And our blood sugar decreases, which can make us irritable and increase our cortisol and stress, leaving us with that hangry feeling.
You're a little hangry, Claire.
I'm not hangry, Tito.
A client of mine would skip breakfast, maybe have lunch or a snack to save calories, and then by 4 p.m., she was absolutely ravenous because she hadn't really fueled herself for the day. So then come dinner time, she was eating larger portions because she was so dang hungry. The first thing we did together was introduce a small and manageable breakfast to kick off her day, getting that protein in first thing. It was something that she could grab and go on the way to work. And then we added more substantial snacks around lunchtime, which ended up being a lunch instead of a snack. And the best part is that once we added food and balanced meals throughout her day, she actually felt more in control, more in tune with her body, had more energy, and she started losing the weight. If you're happy to hear that you don't need to skip meals for weight loss, hit that like button now. Dehydration is sneaky. It can mask itself as hunger, leaving you reaching for snacks when your body's just really thirsty. It can also leave you feeling sluggish and low energy, which is the last thing you need when you're trying to stay on top of your goals. If you're not drinking enough water, your body isn't functioning at its best, and it can even slow down your metabolism, making it even harder to lose weight. A study published in the International Journal of Sports Medicine found that dehydration increases your body's production of cortisol, stress hormone. Higher cortisol levels can make it even harder to shed those pounds, as stress is linked to cravings and fat storage. So start small. Carry a water bottle with you. Start your day with a full glass of water to start off hydrated. Aim for half your body weight in water ounces daily to keep that hydration going. We've all been there. You're hungry, you open the pantry and grab whatever is closest to throw in your mouth. It's usually chips or crackers, definitely not an apple, right? But here's the thing, mindless snacking can totally sabotage your weight loss goals. It's not about being genuinely hungry, it's more about habit. One of my clients was doing this without even thinking. After work, she would come home, drop her bag in the kitchen, and head straight for the pantry. And she wasn't really hungry, she was just going through the motions. So we flipped the script on this. Instead of reaching for snacks right away, she'd take her work bag to her room, unpack her gym bag, repack it for the next day, grab a glass of water, and give herself that moment to actually check in with her hunger levels. And this totally changed her routine for the better. And here's your quick tip. Create snack boundaries and healthy habits. Put your snacks on a plate, sit down, eat it with intention. No more mindlessly grazing in front of the pantry or the fridge or grabbing handfuls straight from the bag, because that's going to mess with your progress. If you're only focused on hitting a calorie target, you're missing the bigger picture. And honestly, that calories in, calories out equation might not be working for you because it's not just about the numbers. Take one of my clients, for example. She was tracking her food diligently, and according to that math equation, she should have been losing weight. But month after month, the scale was not moving. So when she came to me, instead of obsessing over calories, we shifted our focus to food quality. We focused on making sure she was getting whole foods like veggies, fruits, whole grains, nuts, beans, and seeds. And guess what? She had more energy and the weight finally started to come off. It became this snowball effect. As she felt better, she added more whole foods. She added more exercise and the results kept coming and she felt better inside and out. So when you prioritize nutrient-dense foods over strict calorie counting, you're not only fueling your body better, you're setting yourself up for sustainable weight loss. Here's the big takeaway. Instead of getting caught up in calorie counting, prioritize nutrient-dense foods like veggies, lean proteins, and healthy fats. When you focus on quality over quantity, you'll feel fuller, you'll have more energy, and avoid those cravings that can make you overeat. Fun fact, if you completely cut out carbs, you will lose weight. Seriously. Carbs are stored with water in our body, so when we cut out carbs, we also lose the water that's stored with them, and bam, quick weight loss. But if you've done this before, you know that this type of quick weight loss isn't sustainable, and it's also quick to come back. Plus, carbs are your body's main energy source.
You need carbs. Your brain runs on glucose. For simple cognitive functions, you need them.
And skipping them can leave you feeling drained, irritable, and then craving all the wrong things. Instead of cutting carbs completely, focus on adding quality carbs like whole grains, fruits, and veggies to your meal. Dieting isn't just restrictive, it's exhausting. It's a cycle that seems to feed itself. Diet, lose a little weight, get tired of dieting, gain the weight back, and repeat. And when we get into labeling foods as good or bad, we're setting ourselves up for guilt, for frustration, and that never-ending yo-yo cycle. One of the keys to sustainable weight loss is breaking free from that diet mentality and focusing on balance, not perfection. If you've been stuck in that cycle, it's time to stop restriction rules and start listening to your body. Ask yourself, what truly makes me feel nourished? What makes me feel energized? Small shifts like this can make all the difference. Let go of the guilt and start choosing whole foods that actually fuel you. Let's get real about alcohol. It's probably not helping you reach your health goals. Now, I get it. After a long day, that glass of wine or cocktail might feel like the perfect way to unwind. But here's the hard truth. Those drinks can actually be holding you back from the weight loss you've been working so hard for. Alcohol isn't just sneaky in that it has empty calories. It can be messing with your body in ways that go beyond the scale. First off, it can increase your cortisol levels, that stress hormone again, which is a major roadblock for weight loss. It can also activate hormones that trigger hunger and cravings. On top of that, alcohol can lower your blood sugar, sending your body into hunger mode. And here's the real kicker. While your liver is busy breaking down that alcohol, it's not burning fat. That means that fat burning gets pushed to the side, and fat can build up, especially around your midsection. So if you're serious about your weight loss goals, it might be time to check in with yourself on your alcohol. Small changes like swapping alcohol for something hydrating can make a big difference in how you feel overall. You can't out-train a bad diet. Sure, you can burn up some calories at the gym, but if you're fueling yourself with garbage, it's like putting diesel in a premium gas tank. You just won't get very far. Stop thinking that you can crush some fast food and run it off later. Balance is key. And research continues to show that when it comes to weight loss, exercise is awesome, but it's your nutrition that does the heavy lifting. You can't work off bad choices, but you can definitely feel better with good ones. Let's talk about sleep. It's a key piece of the weight loss puzzle that too many people overlook. When you are sleep deprived, your body craves quick energy, which means sugar, carbs, all those snacky things we tend to grab. On top of that, your stress hormones spike, making it even harder to manage hunger and cravings. Getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night is a total game changer for your health. So if you want to see those weight loss results, Create a bedtime routine that helps you get good sleep. Turn off the screens, make sleep a non-negotiable part of your health journey. And also make sure you are eating foods that help promote better sleep, like nuts, kiwis, pepitas, and dark leafy greens. Your body will thank you, and so will your health goals. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope these tips helped you uncover some sneaky habits that might be sabotaging your weight loss progress. Remember, weight loss and better health aren't about being perfect, because who has time for that? It's about making small, smart changes that actually stick and deliver real results. If you're ready to get a better night's sleep to help your weight loss journey, click the video on your screen right now for the best foods for better sleep. And I will see you over there. Until then, eat well, be well, thrive.